Harry's Liquor offers the selection and experience of a full-service liquor store right inside multiple Price Choppers and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. Let's dive into this week's Harry's lesson.
Ales are a type of beer brewed using a warm fermentation method that results in a sweet, full-bodied, and fruity taste. If you want to drink the most traditional beer in the world, ales are the way to go. Historically, the term referred to a drink brewed without hops. Ales were an important source of nutrients in the medieval world and still offer a vital source of pleasure for a beer lover's life today. There are two basic types of beer, ales and lagers. Ales came first and are considered one of the oldest beverages humans have produced. The warm fermentation process used to brew ales allows for more flavor and sweetness, setting them apart from their lager counterpart. Ales come in a variety of types and tastes. First, we'll look at the barley wine. Though the name can be deceiving, it is in fact beer. Barley wine is actually one of the strongest types of beer available. The ale may be sweet, fruity, bittersweet, or hoppy, but always strong with alcohol. Best to pair this one with a strong cheese or a sweet, rich dessert. Next, let's discuss the Belgian ale. Often hard to classify, as Belgium offers a lot of different kinds of delicious ales. Often, though, Belgian ales feature a high ABV with a relatively light body. This type of ale is best accompanied by white meat and desserts. Brown ales are not just characterized by their seemingly simple name. They can be identified by their brown or amber color and a variety of flavors and characteristics. Traditional brown ales are malty, sweet, full-bodied with hints of fruit, or can be dry and nutty. Try this ale with a nutty-flavored dish or dessert. Indian pale ales, or IPAs, are easily the most popular ale within the beer community. They're loved for their distinct, hop-forward, bitter taste and reddish copper color. Try out this beer with strong, spicy foods, such as curry. Our final ale is the well-balanced pale ale. Featuring a good balance of malt and hops, this beer appears light in color with a good amount of hops with a dry texture. The hoppy bitterness of these ales' hops contrast with the spicy, heat-charred, smoky, or aromatic flavors, so try it out with some burgers. You're now fluent in the tastes of ales. Keep in mind these recommendations to help all the ale lovers out there.